Hello friends, welcome to Java FX 3D tutorial. In this video, we are going to create Fxml design and we will generate two 2D shape and we will create two circle. Then in the next video, we will change the depth buffer of the circle so that we can see how one circle hides the next one. In the last video, we learned about the basics of Java FX 3D. Now we will go ahead and perform the Fxml design. Alright, we will close the Java Fxml GUI project and we will create new project to learn Java FX 3D. So for initial few videos we are going to use Java Fxml. So we will click this and choose next and Java FX. We will name it as 3D. That's the project name I'm giving. So since here we use Fxml, we use Fxml here as well. Later we will create one more project. The time we won't use Fxml, we will directly use Java 3D. Here we will use 3D with some Fxml support. So location Java FX 3D, we can use this location 3D. This is the location I'm using. And that's all. We can click finish. It will create the project. As we did previously, we will create so this is our start, right? We will reuse this when we are creating multiple example and we will start changing the Fxml and other stuff. Alright, this is our Fxml document, right? I'll make some necessary arrangement. So this is the package name I need. So hitting the F2 button and Java 3D Fxml refactor. So now all our classes will be placed inside this Java 3D XML. No, we want Fxml, or we can even put one more layer like Fxml dot Java 3D. And we will delete our file name, or we will delete this file. We'll delete the Fxml as well. Alright, that's all. The skeleton is ready. So from next video onwards we will use the sequence number like we did previously. Here if you see, we used 20, 21, like that we can use. Now I'm right clicking, choosing new empty Fxml, and this time we will name it as fx3d 01 depth buffer. So that's the class name I'm giving. Then we will use the controller, depth buffer controller. Click next and choose finish. Right. So this will be our entry point. We will be reusing this. For now, I will open this Fxml like we did previously. So this will be our stage. Stage already has anchor pan. Now we will place a 2D shape inside this anchor pan, and we will accept the default location, so it will sit in the top like this. So I'm just dropping it. So this will be our first circle. We will drop the second circle, and we will change the color of the second circle to red. We will assign a Fxml ID so that we can access this circle programmatically or through the code. So Fx ID, what I am giving here is C1 for the first circle. So this is the first circle we placed, and that one will be in blue color. So hitting the enter button to accept the name C1, then clicking the second circle and naming that as C2. No other change required here. We will just save the content, choose show sample controller skeleton, and you can see 2 Fxml entry added for 2D shapes, circle 1 and circle 2. We will copy this, close it, file. Here is our controller. So these are all our 2 Fxml entries. Fxml entry for circle, and as we did previously many times, here I am importing the Fxml. Then circle is from Java FX scene shape circle. So that's all here. Rebuild this once. So just now you saw the Fxml design demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.